Welcome students, welcome to Narayana live classes. So today we are going to discuss the fifth assignment of class 7th, and the topic we have selected, or the chapter we are discussing, is of atomic structure. Let us see the questions. Which of the following is not a compound? Not a compound means it should be a element. So let us see the marble. Marble formula is CaCO3, calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, the other form of calcium carbonate is marble, and here it has three elements: calcium carbonate, oxygen. So if it is having three elements, we do not call it as a element, we call it as compound. Next, so this is a compound. Next, washing soda. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, where it has sodium atoms, carbon and oxygen. So there are more than two elements in it, that is three elements are present and total 5 atoms, right? So therefore this is also a compound. When two or more than two elements react chemically, then it results in the formation of compound. So here more than two are there. Next, quicklime. Quicklime means it is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Again here it has two elements. So calcium element and oxygen element are reacting to form calcium oxide chemically. Therefore it is also a compound. Compound. The last one, coal. Coal is the purest form, or you can say amorphous allotrope of carbon. It is the amorphous allotrope of carbon element. Okay. So here only one element, that is carbon, is present. It is the purest form of carbon that we see. Therefore coal is an element. It is a element. The remaining are compounds. Next, water is a what is the element, compound, mixture? None of this. Let us see. The formula of water is H2O. The formula of water is H2O, means there are a hydrogen element and oxygen element. Two elements are combined, then they form a compound. Here you cannot call it as a mixture, because hydrogen and oxygen, H2 and O2, react when there is some electric spark. Electric spark to form 2H2O. Okay. So here this is a chemical reaction, therefore it cannot form a mixture, nor it is an element, it is compound. Identify which of the following is a compound. Identify which of the following is a compound. So if you see, in all the cases there are more than one elements. Here there are three elements: hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Therefore it is a compound. Which of the following is a compound? Yes, this is a compound. Next, AlCl3, again you have aluminium and chlorine. This is also a compound. Here you have mercury and sulfur, two different elements. This is also a compound. So obviously it is all the above. The total number of atoms present in aluminium sulphate are, let us check this. Aluminium sulphate is formed when aluminium ions Al plus 3 and SO4 2 minus. So on crisscross method it forms Al2 SO4 taken thrice. Aluminium taken twice and SO4 taken thrice. So the total number of atoms is asking, means aluminium there are 2 atoms. Okay. Sulfur there are 3 atoms. See here bracket is kept, means the 3 belongs to sulfur also. Sulfur 3 are there. Then oxygen 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So 12, 14 plus 3, total 17 atoms are there. So answer would be 2. Next, the chemical formula of limestone is, the chemical formula of limestone, the first question I said you, CaCO3 is called as marble or calcium carbonate or limestone. It is also, any of the three are used to refer CaCO3. So the correct answer would be A. MgCO3 is magnesium carbonate. It is magnesium carbonate. KCO3 KCO3 is a wrong formula. KCO3 is a wrong formula because K plus 1 CO3 2 minus, so it should be K2CO3 potassium carbonate. This is the wrong formula. CaSO4 Ca plus 2 SO4 2 minus, calcium sulphate we call it as calcium sulphate. Okay, so thank you students.